What do you call this, love?
We're at Kelly's Knob.
Kelly's Knob?
Yeah.
Crikeys.
It's probably the only place we haven't been in Kununurra.
Yeah, and it's on there. Have a look at list, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's a viewing area that overlooks the town.
Is this really long grass or are you really, really short?
Both.
Let's go and look at Kelly's. Oh, we might be on Kelly's Knob. Hey, it's a little path here. Cool. Surfing USA. Wow. I was freaking out because I thought it was the big tall hill behind us. Wow, you can actually, wow, what a great view. Hey, you can see the Lake Kununurra and all that's Elephant Rock over there. It's pretty special. Out in between the trees you can see all where they're planting stuff. You're right. It's gone out of sight. There it goes. It's quite a big airport here. Crop dusters get started at about 5:30 in the morning.